Hey guys, today I'll be showing you the easiest way to complete the Swisstronik Technical Task 5 using GitHub Codespace. If you haven't joined the Swisstronik Testnet, sign up right now using the link in the description and check out the video at the top of your screen to help you get started. Now this Task 5 involves deploying a private key. Ignore the fact that it shows as Task 3 here. The Swisstronik dashboard has a strange way of numbering tasks. So for this task, you will need to provide the contract address of the deployed private NFT and the link to your GitHub repository. To complete this task, I'll be using the script from Ramanode. Shout out to him. He also has scripts for lots of other projects. So if you need scripts for any of these projects, you can check out his page and deploy the script to your advantage. So the first thing to do is to set up a new GitHub Codespace with a blank template. So visit github.com/codespaces. You'll find the link in the description. And on the blank template, click use this template. Once you do that, wait for your Codespace to set up and for your terminal to be active. Once your terminal is active, paste this code. You'll find the link to the code in the description. If you see this prompt, click allow. And once you've pasted the code, hit enter on your keyboard and allow the code to finish running. When you see this prompt, hit enter on your keyboard and hit enter again. Now press Y on your keyboard and press Y again and allow the code to continue. And now it will ask for your private key. As I've always said, do not use a wallet with real funds or the wallet connected to your Swisstronik dashboard for these tasks. Use a new wallet which you use only for the technical task. And this wallet should have your test Swisstronik tokens from the faucet because you will need them to pay gas fees. Otherwise, these transactions will fail. If you don't know how to set up a new Swisstronik wallet, fund it with the Swisstronik faucet and get your private key, check out the link in the description. So paste your private key. You can click X to close this pop-up. Once you've pasted your private key, hit enter. Now it will ask for the NFT name. You can give it any name you like. So once you enter the name you want for the NFT, hit enter and it will ask for your NFT symbol. So give it any symbol you like and hit enter and wait for the code to continue. If your contract deployment is successful, you will see this prompt saying that your contract has been deployed to this contract address. So to copy the contract address, highlight it and use Ctrl+C to copy. Now save it in a safe place. If you failed to copy this contract address, you can always find it by opening the contract.txt file. So now that we are done with deploying the private NFT, the next thing to do is to push these files to our public GitHub repository. So to do that, go back to your GitHub Codespaces and refresh the page so you will see the new Codespace you just created. This is the Codespace I use for this task. So to rename a Codespace, click on these three dots and click rename. Give it any name you like. In this case, I will say task 5. Remember, the name of the Codespace will be the default name of the GitHub repository unless you change the name. So now I have changed the name of this Codespace. So remember, this step isn't compulsory, it's just in case you have multiple Codespaces to avoid confusion so you don't end up pushing the wrong Codespace to your GitHub repository. So to push your Codespace to your GitHub repository, click this three dots at the extreme right and click publish to a new repository. Now you can set the name of the repository. I've already done that by setting the name of the Codespace, but you can rename it to whatever you like. Make sure to select the public radio button because we want to create a public repository. So once you've selected public, click create repository. Once the repository has been created, click see repository, and now your repository has been populated with all your files. So the next thing to do is to copy the link to this repository. So click on code and click on the copy icon to copy the link to your repository. So now that we've deployed the private NFT, it's time to head over to the Swisstronik dashboard for submission. Now go back to your Swisstronik dashboard and click on the task. Scroll down till you find the area for submission. Paste the link to the GitHub repository you just copied here and click submit. Now paste the contract address of the private NFT we just deployed here. Remember, you can always get the contract address by going back to your GitHub repository and opening this contract.txt file by clicking on it, and here you see your contract address. So once you've pasted your contract address, click submit. So that's it about the Swisstronik Testnet Task 5, which involves deploying a private NFT. If you haven't completed tasks 1 to 4, check out the links in the description for the video guides. I'll be posting the guides for the other tasks very soon. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Swisstronik Testnet updates, crypto airdrops, tips and tutorials. Don't forget we are still in the season of Telegram airdrops, so check out the bonus section of this video description and sign up on some of the hottest Telegram airdrops today. So keep completing your Swisstronik Testnet tasks, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.